Sajano and welcome to Doordarshan News Channel. Today is the auspicious day where India is embarking in its 78th year of independence. It's not only the day when India gained its freedom from the colonial bonds, but also the day when unimaginable efforts and unflinching sacrifices of all Martyrs are paid off. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These were the lines said by Nehru ji on 15th August 1947. And let's now learn about modern India through the views of today's Kisan, Mahila, Sainik and Vidyarthi. तो पहले हम शुरुआत करते हैं निहार जी के साथ, जो अपनी खानी खुद की जुबानी एक किसान के तौर पर बताएंगे।
Before independence, वह दादाजी कहते थे कि हमारे ऊपर गुलामी थोपी गई, हमारी मेहनत के लिए कोई कीमत भी नहीं देते थे। But now, they are taking pride in being a kisan of modern and progressive India. And yes, I can speak in English because education is accessible to us too. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vidya.
शुक्रिया किसान जी for sharing your insights. देवियों और सज्जनों, ये आज का किसान है, पढ़ा लिखा और जागरूक। The freedom struggle is incomplete without the unwavering support of women, bearing all the stereotypes and prejudices, yet standing rock solid for their own flesh and blood. Now let's hear from Miss Radhika.
Andarki Namaskar. Swatantra Dinotsavam Subhakankshu. Today, India, overcoming different milestones, reached its 78th year of independence. One of the major setbacks it has faced and got triumph over is gender bias. Prior to independence, people used to say, "Amma kada nuvu inti panulu cheyali, inka oka manchi amma, bharya mariyu kooturuga nee badyata teerchali." Avuna kada? Avunu. But now, times have changed. We are stepping out of our stereotypical roles and taking part in every field with equality in all terms, and supporting financially not only to the home front but also to the country at large. Vande Mataram.
Dhanyawadalu Radhika Garu. Regardless of the era, there is always a role played by the society that continuously learns about the past, present and predicts the future. So let's hear from the student of the present day.
Education is the key to unlock the freedom. I believe education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Reading the atrocities of the British itself infuriates me of how much our people have suffered. I believe that education spreads awareness amongst peoples and opens their eyes. I neither chose to remain quiet under the British rule in the past, nor will I in the future. I shall raise my voice against injustice to my knowledge.
That's well said, Ayan. India is proud to have young intellectuals like you. Freedom is not for the timid. It's only for those who are willing to risk what it takes to gain it. This resilience and courage is shown by the Jawan of our country. So let's invite Mr. Dhruv Mumidi, who is going to enlighten us with his experience as a soldier.
एक सोल्जर ये नहीं पूछता कि देश उसके लिए क्या किया, पूछता है वो देश के लिए क्या कर सकता है. This is the spirit we soldiers carry on the battlefield. In the past, I left my home to fight for my brethren. I put my country first, over my family and myself, and I don't regret doing so. जान रहे या ना रहे, हमारा वतन हमेशा आबाद है. जय हिंद.
That was really touching and inspirational, bro. That brings the end to our open interview. Thank you everyone for your enlightening anecdotes. On this Independence Day and more to come, remember the sacrifices and efforts of our forefathers and the way they strove to build a better future for their progeny. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Stay tuned to our news channel Doordarshan. Satyamev Jayate.